Welcome! In this quick calculus walkthrough, we will find a tangent line to the function g of x equals x cubed plus 1. We'll do it step by step, focusing on slope and point, and then we will graph the function with its tangent. First, restate the problem. Find the tangent line to g of x equals x cubed plus 1. We will compute the derivative for the slope, pick a point on the curve, and write the line using point-slope form. Step 1. Find the derivative g prime of x. The derivative gives the slope of the tangent at any x. We use the power rule. The derivative of x to the n is n times x to the n minus 1. Let's apply the rule to x cubed, and also remember, the derivative of a constant is 0. So g prime of x equals 3x squared. Step 2. Choose a point on the curve. Since no point was specified, a simple and common choice is x equals 1. Compute the y value. G of 1 equals 1 cubed plus 1, which is 2. So the point on the curve is left parenthesis 1 comma 2 right parenthesis. Step 3. Find the slope at x equals 1 using the derivative. M equals g prime of 1 equals 3 times 1 squared equals 3. So the slope is 3. Step 4. Write the tangent line using point-slope form. The point-slope form is y minus y1 equals m times left parenthesis x minus x1 right parenthesis. Substitute the point 1 comma 2 and slope 3. Y minus 2 equals 3 times left parenthesis x minus 1 right parenthesis. Now simplify to slope-intercept form. Y equals 3x minus 1. Now, let us graph g of x equals x cubed plus 1 and the tangent line we found to see the geometry. First the axis and the curve. Mark the point at x equals 1, y equals 2. Draw the tangent line, y equals 3x minus 1. Finally, show the local slope as rise over run near the point. Rise 3, run 1. Summary. The derivative g prime of x is 3x squared. At x equals 1, the slope is 3, and the point is 1 comma 2. Using point-slope form, the tangent line is y minus 2 equals 3 times left.
Thank you for watching. Tap like, share, and comment, and then follow and subscribe for more quick problem-solving tips. Let's make maths simple. One video at a time only on muyversemaths.